Here working on the Ferrari F430 today, and basically wrapping up the polishing and waxing on it. However, the owner wanted me to take a look at the taillights, and as you can see, we have 3 of the 4 removed. So if you take a look at the one down here, it looks like it's in here pretty tight, and I'm shaking it, minimal movement. So these taillights are full floating, which means that they're really not touching anything except for the mounting base up on the inside of the bodywork here. And if you come over and take a look at these, I've got them have marked for which one it is. And this is how they are supposed to be. There's only 3 mounting points, and just due to the vibration and possibly people leaning on them, they've actually broken over the years. So obviously the vehicle's 15 years old, so normal wear and tear. This is a known issue for these vehicles. So what we're going to do is we've got a couple of different repair types that we may be using. Not sure which way we're going to go yet. Still need to identify the type of plastic, but we have our hot stapler gun here, which we may need for a little bit of structural integrity to get the process started. And then we've got our plastic welder here with the different types of polypropylene, materials that we use for plastic welding them together. So once we do that, we'll put it back together, finish the polishing, waxing process, and get this delivered back to the customer. Thank you for watching, and just encourage everyone to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content, where you can see more of our work showcasing working on these luxury and exotic vehicles.